I totally appreciate how difficult it is to pay rent and then try to save for a deposit. But if we're going to say to people, you don't need to have any deposit, we'll give you 100% mortgage from the bank, surely all this is going to do is actually just hike up the price of houses even further.
There has to be a look at everything and anything about how do you get people out of long-term rentals.
Okay.
I'm sure there's many people listening today saying, God almighty, I'm spending my entire salary on dead money.
The 100% mortgages, the real losers will be the borrowers, because if their job stops, if for whatever reason they can't make those repayments, then, interest is going to mount. They're going to have then more debt than the actual property is worth. And eventually that property will be repossessed.
I would feel under the current circumstances and the pressure that a lot of people are under, I would agree with the 100% mortgages. As the parent of 2 young adults, they already are of the opinion that the possibilities of ever having security, of having a home, whether it's a house or an apartment or anything, is just forget about it.
The difficulty is if you go for a 100% mortgage, if anything changes in the person's life and they have to pivot out of that, they can't. That would be a very dangerous situation.
Yeah.
I'm definitely in favour of this, Andrea. I think it would be very helpful if somebody is committed to a 100% mortgage, they have a permanent job and secure income. They should be okay.
There's a huge demand, and if you were to bring in 100% mortgages tomorrow, there's simply not enough houses available, and it would just shoot the prices into the stratosphere.
My memories of this are people who were in, very average, normal jobs, average earnings, getting huge mortgages. Absolutely huge mortgages from the bank.
Well, that's where the caps have to come in.
And why stop with the mortgage when you can get a new Audi A5 out of it as well? Throw the whole lot on. This was part of the problem.